This is a simple and fast review of the Soxiar Ergonomic Mesh Office Chair with adjustable lumbar support. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So when you get it out of the box, you'll find all the parts and pieces that are required, instructions, and all your pieces for installing screws and whatnot, and the base, arms, all that stuff. So we'll go ahead and assemble. All right, so I'm gonna assemble this, and I'll probably be fast forwarding, speeding it up at about 10x, just so that you know. We'll speed it up, and then we'll give you the exact total time that it took to assemble. All right, so a couple things about the chair. Obviously, full swivel. Armrests go up if needed, so that they can be removed essentially, which is great. This piece will bring me up and down, obviously. And also, when you pull it in and out, like in and out, it'll lock the back. So right now we're locked. Pulling it out gives me a lot more flexibility, as you can see. Once it goes in, it won't go back any further. So great chair, really comfortable on the behind. Back is the mesh material, so really nice, kind of small, not a full-size chair or anything like that, but nice padding on the elbows, pretty solid, so definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you, and thanks for watching.